Opposing leader Nelsonchamisa has unveiled a resounding fresh start for Zimbabwean politics, using his ongoing United Kingdom diaspora citizen engagement and listening tour to introduce the vision, principles, and philosophy behind his newly launched political movement, the New. Nzana pena mash kubdani kwa chinsi chamisa on resounding fresh start. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Team now no more blani kwa chinsi. The consultations taking place in London, Manchester, and Kobe are bringing together Zimbabweans from across the diaspora is Chamisa 6 to build what he calls a citizen-driven movement anchored on listening, participation, and national renewal. Yet under the theme Beyond the Crisis, the New Hope for Zimbabwe, the tour marks Chamisa's major international mobilization campaign since unveiling the new. According to the executive briefing document circulated during the engagements, the movement is founded on the belief that genuine national transformation begins by listening to citizens and placing them at the center of governance. The document presented an ambitious vision of citizenocratic Zimbabwe built on institutional democracy, accountable leadership, rapid economic transformation, social justice, national unity, and ethical governance. It also advocates broad consultation with professionals, entrepreneurs, students, academics, faith leaders, and community organizations in shaping policies that reflect the aspirations of ordinary Zimbabweans. For many Zimbabweans, Chamisa's message represents more than the launch of a new political movement. It has rekindled hope that the country can still chart a different future after years of economic hardships, political polarization, and uncertainty across the diaspora meetings. Supporters have embraced the listening tour as an opportunity to contribute ideas towards rebuilding Zimbabwe through inclusive leadership and citizen participation. Toma developments ari kuda panguva ine. Kada comment section yedu zofunga aim to deep pamusoro pechitwa ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell.